Hi angels, hi my loves, it's lvluxegirl back again with another video. So in today's video I have a quick little unboxing for you guys. It's a Sephora unboxing. If that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and keep on watching. And at the end of the video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. So yeah, you guys, I have a Sephora unboxing for you guys, and this is it right here. So my items came in this package right here, and I did a part 1 to this video, and I unboxed a few things from Sephora, and I told you guys that I was expecting a few more packages. So I went ahead and received that, and I wanted to go ahead and share it and unbox it with you guys. If you like videos like these, then remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and always check the links below for the items that I unboxed. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So as you can see, the box, I didn't totally open it. I just did the edges so that for time's sake it would be a little bit faster, so that, you know, we wouldn't be here that long. So let me go ahead and finish opening it so that we could go ahead and look inside. Okay, so after I opened it, this is the way it came with that on the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out so we can see what else is in here. Of course, I have my receipt for the different items ordered right here. And then this is the way the other items came on the inside of the box. So this is the way the other items came on the inside of the box. And let's go ahead, you guys, and go through these items and see what goodies we have. So one of the first things that it looks like we have is some Fenty Beauty. Some Fenty Beauty. And it's probably a lip product, knowing me, because I'm really into lipsticks. I love lipstick. So let's go ahead and open this baby up and see what we have here. So yeah, you guys, it's a Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and I don't have my glasses on. I'm gonna come back and do a lipstick. I'm gonna come back and do a lipstick and a lip gloss collection for you guys. But that's what we have. That's one of the items. Then the next item that we have is from Fenty Beauty as well. And it is basically, I think it might be more a lip liner or more lip gloss. So this is what the packaging for that one looks like. So pretty in gold. I don't want to blind you guys. Okay, I have to figure out how to open this up. But more Fenty Beauty. And then it looks like we have another Fenty Beauty item right here. So pretty, you guys. The packaging is really nice, and this is the color, and I know it's a lippy. So you can see I love lipstick, and I love red lipstick, if you guys know me on my channel. So we're gonna go ahead and open this lipstick up. And this one, you guys, this one is so pretty. And this is what the packaging for this one looks like. And I just love it. It's so pretty, you guys. Such pretty packaging. So that's what the packaging for that one looks like. I can't get anything open today. It's locked so tight. So that's what the packaging for that one looks like. And that's the color right there. So pretty, you guys. Okay. The next items that I have are going to be more lippies. More lippies. And these are the Pat McGrath lippies. They're the minis, and they're so cute. And this is the way they came, you guys, and I love that. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't wanna have sequins everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up, and I'll be back in a follow-up video, and we'll go ahead and look at some more of the colors of the Pat McGrath lipsticks, as well as more of the lipsticks in my lipstick collection, you guys. All right, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon in another video.